Verify Sierra Papa, wind 26011, gust 16, runway 23, clear for takeoff, traffic 1 mile right base.
Roger, 23, clear for takeoff, and we'll expedite 5 Sierra Papa.
Right. Charlie Foxtrot, one more departure priority arrival, take the runway now.
Forget the takeoff, we got traffic. Ready?
Ready.
Cleared left, cleared right. We're going to take our time, because I don't want to get that airplane. Instruments in the green. Airspeed is live. Rotate. Positive rate.
Verify Sierra Papa, wind 26011, gust 16, runway 23, clear for takeoff, traffic 1 mile right base.
Roger, 23, clear for takeoff, and we'll expedite 5 Sierra Papa.
Right. Charlie Foxtrot, one more departure priority arrival, take the runway now.
Forget the takeoff, we got traffic. Ready?
Ready.
Cleared left, cleared right. We're going to take our time, because I don't want to get that airplane. Instruments in the green. Airspeed is live. Rotate. Positive rate. November 805 Sierra Papa, home short 23.
467 Mike Zulu, observe, report 7 miles out.
77 miles out for 7 Mike Zulu.
Take 05 Sierra Papa, more stand power, hold short runway 23, take direction flight.
Home short 23, and it should be a southwest VFR.
Sierra Papa, wind 26011, gust 16, runway 23, clear for takeoff, traffic 1 mile right base.
Roger, 23, clear for takeoff, and we'll expedite 5 Sierra Papa.
Right. Charlie Foxtrot, one more departure priority arrival, take the runway now.
Forget the takeoff, we got traffic. Ready?
Ready.
Cleared left, cleared right. We're going to take our time, because I don't want to get that airplane. Instruments in the green. Airspeed is live. Rotate. Positive rate.
on a 2-mile final from runway 23 Cessna.
Alright, number 3, we'll look for the Cessna on final, 23 Whiskey Papa. I got 1 on final.
Number Whiskey Papa, the Cessna you're following is currently on a 2-mile final.
We'll let you know when we see him, 23 Whiskey Papa.
Wind 270 at 14, gust 20.
And 23 Whiskey Papa, we have our traffic.
Number Whiskey Papa, number 2 now following that Cessna runway 23, clear to land, wind 260 at 10, gust 20.
Clear to land number 2 on runway 23 behind the Cessna 23 Whiskey Papa.
Number 5 Sierra Papa, turn right at Golf, contact ground 134.2, good day.
Turn right to Golf and contact ground 50 Papa 3. Ground 5 Sierra Papa with you, exit at 23.
Runway 05 Sierra Papa, Morristown, same intention.
We're going to taxi 2 to west side down, 5 Sierra Papa.
Runway 5 Sierra Papa behind the Cessna, taxi via Alpha Bravo, cross 31.
Alpha Bravo and cross 31 and follow the Cessna.